So we've learned about using a stop, think, and paraphrase reading strategy with fictional texts. So let's look at how we can use an STP strategy with informational texts. So we're going to practice an STP strategy with this text, A Difficult Decade. When doing an STP strategy, the first thing you need to do is break your text into smaller parts or chunks to help you remember when to tell yourself to stop, to think about what you just read, and to try to paraphrase in your own words. So, when I look at an informational text, I know that I can use text features to help me. So the first thing that I can do when working with this text is take a look at headings. Headings are super cool because they give us some direction and they divide a text into smaller, more manageable parts. So I have 3 headings in this particular text. I know that I can focus on what's in each of these sections to help me know when to stop, when to think, and when to paraphrase. I don't want to forget the first part, which is generally the introduction. Now, of course, there's more text here than what I've just found. So I'm going to go on to the next type of text feature to pay attention to, and that's the idea of a caption. So a caption is information that comes under a photograph or an illustration telling us more about a picture. Here we have this piece right here with a caption. We also have another caption here, and we have a caption here. In looking at these captions, I'm going to want to also think about what I am seeing in the image or photograph so that I can think about, of course, what's going on, and I can paraphrase it in my own words. We have still more features here to take a look at, and so the next one that I'm going to point out is a keyword. Keywords are words in the text that are bold, italics, or colored to show that these are important words. We have backcountry, and we have articles of confederation. Now this text actually gives us the meanings of these words off to the side, which is another feature for us called a text box. So a text box then can give us more information about a keyword. And then finally, we still have some text in a different way called sidebars. Sidebars often give us more information about a topic, and they're usually placed in boxes near the main body of the text. So here in this particular text, we have 2 sidebars. And so now I have my text set up to stop, to think about what I've just read, and to paraphrase these different sections. I'm going to paraphrase the sections by headings. I'm going to paraphrase the text using my captions. I'm going to make sure that I take a look at keywords. And finally, I'm going to pay attention to my sidebars. Get your own text ready for stop, think, and paraphrase using a highlighter to make your sections and features stand out. Then you can use a post-it note for each one of these parts so that you're able to stop and manage each smaller part of this text at a time, applying stop, think, and paraphrase. For more practice, I'd like you to also read 3 Men and 3 Plans. Think about how you can divide this text so that you can practice how to stop, think, and paraphrase.